Hi everyone, welcome to day 6 of 30 Days Cultivating Appreciation. I'm Dr. Sue Franklin. So today we're going to talk about magic money. And this is one of the things that most of us get really uptight about. Money can represent freedom or security, safety, success, affluence, power. It has a lot of meanings for us, and our culture puts a lot of pressure on people, both in terms of how much money they make and what they do to make it. And our culture has this mindset of scarcity, like there's not enough. And if somebody else gets some, then I'm not going to get enough. Or if I take too much, then other people won't get enough. And it's just not true. There's infinite energy in the universe, and money is energy. If you think about what we know about the days when Jesus was alive, the number of people, the amount of money in the culture, and it has only grown. It grows all the time. Look how many people we have. Obviously, the wealth and money on the planet has grown. So there's enough. There's enough for you. There's really enough for everyone. And it's about getting your energy aligned with abundance. And that really starts with appreciating what you have and what you've had. So most of us had quite a lot. Well, if you're alive and participating in this 30 days of cultivating appreciation, then you've received a lot. You've been given enormously over your lifetime, and especially as a kid, because in those first many years in a human's early life, we can't take care of ourselves. So other people give us food and clothes and shelter and warmth and clothes and experiences, all of which cost somebody money. So your practice today is, of course, to start with counting your blessings, making a list of things that you appreciate, doing your power pose for 2 minutes today, and then taking a few minutes to write down the many things that you were given, especially as a child. Shoes, clothes, bed, shelter, housing, stuffed animals, toys, pets, anything. Trips, school, books, you name it. Make a list of all those things, and everything you put on your list, add a thank you for it. And yeah. So anything that you were given that you can remember, a watch, markers, crayons, doesn't matter how small, something was given, it cost someone money, and it's something you received. And we're practicing appreciating that, appreciating all the things that we have received. And then really feel the thank you for those. And then I want you to take some kind of, some piece of money, a bill of some kind. You could use $1 or whatever you have, and write an affirmation on it. Some kind of appreciation, something like, thank you for all the money I've been given in my life. I appreciate everything I've received in my life. I appreciate all the money I've received in my life. And you can see, so I printed out a $10,000 bill. It's not a real one, obviously. And I stuck my affirmation on here. Thank you for all the money I've received in my life. And stick it in your purse or your pocket or something. Carry it around with you today so that you can look at it several times and remind yourself to be thankful. Even when, let's say you go to Starbucks and buy a coffee and you I hand them my phone to read the app. And I'm going to remind myself, even when I do that, it's about money. It's a transaction with funds, which is all energy. And I received that money from someone else, and now I'm giving it to them. And I'm receiving this coffee. And I'm going to remind myself to say thank you for each bit of that process, that transaction. And then the rest of the month, lay that bill with that affirmation on it somewhere where you'll see it every day, at least once. Maybe keep it in your wallet or your purse, or lay it on your dresser so you can see it every day as a nice reminder. And then remember, when you go to bed, pick up your object from your nightstand and pause for just a moment to appreciate something from your day. And kind of glance over the whole day, and if you can find more than one, that's great, but find one thing to really appreciate from your day and say thank you. And may you have sweet dreams. So that's it for day 6, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Be well.